Alright, this is just detecting. We're at the beach and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. And we got a quarter and a penny so far. And I found some little earring and I picked up a bracelet that was not metal, it was plastic. But I covered that area over there. I'm just gonna work on this side here, see what I can find. And I'll get back to you if I get another signal. Alright, we got a signal down in this hole. It's a 27. Alright, we got a dime. It's another clad dime. Oh, we'll keep going, see what else we find. Alright, we had a signal in here, and ended up being just a memorial penny, but I had a hard time finding it. It said it was 24, but it was like all over the place in here. So, yeah, one more penny. Alright, just took a penny over here. Now I got a signal up here, I think it's another penny. It's like a 22. Just out of here. Let's do this. One of these days I'll get a scoop. Oh, there it is. And it's a dime. 2014. Another dime in the hole here. I think that's it. Check around here, see if there's anything else. Not finding nothing. Alright. On to the next. Alright, so I had like a double signal here, and I ended up, I got one penny here, and then I had a dime up here. So we got a double out of that one. I don't know if there's any more. I'll have to go over with the metal detector, but I thought I had a signal up here, but not. Yeah, it seemed like there was a signal all the way along in here. It was all over the place. But I thought there was more up here, but not getting anything right now. We'll check it back over and see. Okay, I got one right here. It's coming up like a solid 20. I think I got another signal up in here. So this is where I just dug the dime and a penny out. And I might have something right here. I think it may be a penny, but yeah, there it is, 1 penny. Alright, what we got going on here, we got a coin spill going on. I got 1, 2, 3 pennies, a dime, and a nickel so far out of here, and then plus the other penny that I found. I still seem to be digging. Keep checking around in here and see if we yeah, another penny. We got a dime. Just gotta hit right up here. Some kind of piece of iron or something. I think that's it. We'll go back over it. But that should be it. Well, that was pretty cool. Alright, we had one down in this hole here, but I thought it was junk. So it was like hitting like a 30. But it ended up being a dime, but it was like way down in there pretty deep. So we got another dime to the pouch. Alright, I'm going to wrap up the hunt here. I was out for maybe just a little over an hour. And there's stuff I found. I picked this up. It was just kind of laying there, surface fine. Did find an earring. It's not like it's like gotta be like steel or something, or aluminum. Pretty much just junk jewelry, I guess. But I did get one pull tab, some kind of chunk of iron or something here, another little chunk of iron, and we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 pennies, 7 dimes, a nickel, and a quarter. So that was it. And then I had this one little, not really sure what that is. It's metallic. It could be just a chunk of steel or something like that, but I was thinking maybe a meteorite, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I'll check into it. It's pretty... could be like a piece of slag or something from some kind of welding, or I'll check it. Maybe it's a meteorite. I don't know. It was definitely going off in the metal detector, but that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're going to run probably a little extra bonus footage here. We were back at the quarry. It's got about halfway around it. I got one signal up here, and I ended up digging up, it's just a memorial penny. We got one penny here. Add that to the box. And we got a surface find here, a nickel. So what we have, people come up here and they swim, and they basically jump off these rocks here. I see a pair of glasses down there too. And this ledge right here is probably just an ideal spot for people to set their things down while they're swimming. So we're going to detect around in here a little bit. I'm going to probably pick up them glasses, and we'll do that right now. They almost look like they're prescription glasses. Maybe just a frame. So yeah, I think they're just frames. Somebody 3D glasses, real 3D. So we'll pick them up, get them out of here. Looks like somebody's been, I don't know what, it looks like somebody's been digging around in here. Picking up rocks, maybe. I bet picking up rocks and throwing them in the water. But we'll detect around here, see what we can find. Alright, we scored another memorial penny. We're still working that same ridge here, that little shelf or whatever here. And one more penny to it, so that's 6 cents we got out of here. Alright, moving on. Alright, found another memorial penny. This one was laying nice and flat right in there. Didn't have to go too far to find that. But one more. Yeah, you used to be able to see fish and stuff swim around here in the shallows, but I don't see anything. No fish or anything around here. The water actually looks kind of dirty. Yeah, I used to come back here when I was a kid, like 10, 11 years old, and I mean the water was always just beautiful, crystal clear, and now it's pretty cloudy. See some oil or something floating on the top here. Garbage down there. Well, then it wasn't a park then. People just came back here. It's kind of like a party spot. But now the city was given to the city, and now it was made into a park. But they don't really keep it up very much. They got a couple benches on some walking trail around here, and I guess it just kind of kept it pretty plain. I think a few people still come back here and swim once in a while, but I don't think it gets used too much anymore. Well, we had like a 13 signal in here. I was thinking it was just going to be a pull tab, and I dug around a little bit in here, and we got actually got a nickel. So, yeah, it was pretty solid 13. It looks like an older nickel. Can't see the date on it, but it looks like it's been down there for a while. It was up right tight to this tree. Yeah, I'll have to clean that one up a little bit, maybe kind of get a date off it, I don't know. But one more nickel. I think that's 2 of them now. We got out of here. Oh, we'll keep going. We're almost all the way around. So. Alright, I didn't find any more at the quarry, so just going to kind of wrap up what I found there. I ended up with 2 pennies and 2 nickels. I think the total between the beach and at the quarry ended up being like $1.24 on them pieces, and that should be about it. It's getting pretty warm out, so I'm gonna go. I think tomorrow I might go hit another beach and see what I find there. Till then, we'll see you.